Kerero kia miaka 14 kia family ya Dorothy Kweyu kia mwana wao kuohwo bururi-ini wa Saudi Aribia gekirie gukinya muthia thutha wa honge itiganite kuingirira ndeto eno na gukagia na utheri. Stephen Bartrand Munyakho kana Stevo ohirwo mwaka wa 2012 thutha wake gukuruhanio na giko gia kuraga mundu marutaga wira nake bururi-ini wa Saudi Aribia wa kuuma bururi wa Yemen kuria macongoiranire no kirigereria na gikuo na Stevo akiohwo njera-ini nene ya Daban bururi-ini ucio wa Saudi Arabia. Na kumanagia na hindi iyo family yake itoire na kigiriko kuona family ya mundu ucio wakuire wa Yemen yetirie shiringi milioni 129 ici irita mbeca cia thakame, mbeca iria family ya Stevo ikoretwo igicangithia kuhitukira kamiti na makiambiriria kampeini ya kurekererio gwake.
Sentenced to 5 years for manslaughter. The victim's family then appealed, resulting in an enhanced sentence of execution in 2014. After intense negotiations between the bereaved family and a delegation from the Kenyan embassy, starting in 2018, the parties finally settled for an irreducible amount of 3.5 million Saudi riyals.
Na kuhitukira honge itiganite cia thirikari na itari cia githirikari na andu a wendi mwega kuingirira ndeto eno, kamiti eno ni yahotire gucangithia shiringi milioni 19,412 na igitumwo bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia. No itiari njiganu niguo Stevo arekererio no kuhitukira kanjo ya itheramu SUPKEM gikundi kia World Muslim League kiria SUPKEM ni memba ni mariki kuriha besha ciothe.
World League, who paid the blood money, the balance of the blood money, was among the many organizations and individuals we had contacted to save Stevo. And we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for their generous contribution in settling the remaining blood, amount.
As we speak today, I have been reliably informed that the victim's family has received the money and is now in the hands of the authorities of the government of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to process Steve for release.
Na thutha wa mbeca ici kurihwo, riu family no ikarite nyoteire kuona mwana wao, kuona riu ni meritwo mutaratara wa Steve kurekererio kuuma njera ni wambiriirio, no riu ni gweterera kuona etikia aithiramu megukorwo ihinda-ini ria gukungwira thiguku ya Eid. Nyina wa Steve Dorothy Kweyu agitariria ruo ruria akoretwo na ruo rwa muruwe guku muru wa nyina agitariria ati thengia wa gukorwo metereire kuona Steve ni acoka Kenya mari na kibarua gia kumuteithia kwambiriria muturire wake weru.
Could call at 4 a.m. and say leo tumeamka kwa giza. Tumeamka kwa giza meant one of us has been executed, and that was difficult, knowing that one day the giza might be on him and I may never see my child again.
This is someone who's not been in the country for probably close to 20 years now, and he comes back not working. He went there, he was working, so he comes back, he's not working. So there's a lot more than just celebration. Of course, we'll get to celebrate him when he's back.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.